Welcome to this tutorial on the CoreSpace Hardhat Template. This template is designed to facilitate testing, development, and deployment on the Conflux Core Space, providing a streamlined workflow with pre-configured tools and environments. The template offers a structured development environment, including predefined Hardhat configurations, integrated wallet management using DevKit's CLI, a ready-to-use repository structure, support for local, testnet, and mainnet deployments. With this template, developers can efficiently deploy and test smart contracts on Conflux Core Space. To use the Core Hardhat template locally, ensure the following tools are installed: Git for repository management, VS Code for development, Docker for running the development environment. If you're using GitHub CodeSpaces, no setup is needed. You only need a GitHub account and a CoreSpace wallet with CFX on both mainnet and testnet. For local development, after creating a repository using the template, clone your repository and open it in Visual Studio Code. If you have Remote Containers extension, reopen the project in a containerized environment for an optimized setup. To start a project using this template, go to the repository. Click Use this template and select either. Create a new repository on your GitHub account or open in CodeSpace to start coding immediately in a pre-configured environment. For this tutorial, we will use CodeSpaces. Inside the project directory, install the required dependencies with npm install. Before deploying smart contracts, configure the wallet. Add a new wallet using DevKit wallet add. For deploying on testnet or mainnet, import an existing account with CFX. For additional wallet options, use DevKit Wallet H. Let's make sure that the wallet is correctly configured with the address option. Now we are ready to start a local Conflux Core node using hhnode. Hardhat CLI is alias to HH for quick access to commands. The terminal will display block confirmations. Keep this terminal open while deploying contracts. Press F to access the faucet or B to check the wallet's CFX balance. The selected wallet is automatically funded with CFX when the local node starts. Next, open a new terminal and compile the contract. Now everything is set up for testing your smart contracts. Deploy your contract on the local Conflux Core node. The Hardhat configuration file is already set up for local, testnet, and mainnet networks and is configured to use the selected wallet from previous steps. After deployment, the terminal will display the contract address. Now let's deploy on the testnet. You can use HHBalance to make sure the selected wallet has CFX to cover transaction fees. To deploy on testnet, modify the network parameter. After deployment, we can verify the contract using the Hardhat verify task. Then check Conflux scan to confirm deployment and verification. Now, with the contract successfully tested locally and on the testnet, we can deploy it on the CoreSpace mainnet. Ensure that the selected wallet has sufficient balance to cover transaction fees. After deployment, verify the contract and confirm everything worked correctly on Conflux scan. The Core Hardhat template simplifies the development and deployment of smart contracts on Conflux Core. With built-in wallet management, pre-configured environments, and seamless integration with Hardhat, developers can efficiently build, test, and deploy contracts on both local and public networks. Subscribe for more content and join the Conflux developer community for support. Thanks for watching.